Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making red bean sweet salad. This red bean and pasta salad is the perfect blend of sweet and savory flavors. High in fiber and plant-based protein. One bowl of boiled macaroni. One bowl boiled red beans. Half cucumber. 1 green apple. Half cabbage. Six tablespoons of sweet corn. Vier tablespoons of mayonnaise. Olive oil 3 tablespoons. Cream 3 tablespoons, and as your taste, black pepper mix well. If you like my recipe, don't forget subscribe, like my channel. Thank you for watching.